You like it? Daddy, you should drink water, don't splash. Wow. Take your legs, kick.
Kick.
Well, yeah, if it's a real windy day or whatever, but that's
Oh, yeah.
around and it's stop and then we'll just take it.
Good fisher.
When I don't get a chance.
Don't drink water, okay? On the ears, Daddy. Don't put water on the ears. Don't do that. Ooh, you're making a wave. Ooh. You're making a wave. Whoa.
Hey, come
Whoa.
on in, mommy.
Oh, it's cold.
It ain't cold. Not once you get in here a little bit.
You like it? Wow. Yay. You should learn to swim. Okay, kick your legs. Swim.
Legs.
Swim.
Kick your legs.
Yesterday she copied Antoine how to swim though. Yeah. Don't drink water. Don't drink, Daddy. Don't put her mouth in the
I'm
water.
not putting her mouth in the water.
Don't put her down very close. You wanna go in the lazy river? Yay!
Oh, go to the river on the tube.
Yeah. Come on.